This new brawler is absolutely useless. Firstly, thank you Generacell for the free box that gave me one more skin for Ziggy, but you know what? Ziggy sucks. When I tried him on the dev build, he was broken because he could land all of his shots with auto aim. But before release, they nerfed him and lowered his damage, but buffed his reload speed to compensate. His super is also very easy to avoid, and the meta is way too aggressive for him to do anything. They might be cooking a broken hypercharge for him, but looks like there's a new trend where every second brawler of the update is way worse than the first.